Can I triple the scanner, bro?
Coin.
Can I triple the scanner?
Lighting up.
Please, can I triple the scanner, please? Wait, hold up.
Oh my god. Bing, bing, bing. I don't know why I got in this one. I want to chance. Bing, bing, bing. Oh man. Bonfire. What do I do? Bing, bing, bing. First thing I want to get. First. What's the other? Oh, what's this? It's my first time over here. What is over here?
Can somebody go get it? Cause I don't have.
Get it. I know.
Can you tell me what you do over here? What's over here? Because I've just started to I ain't just started, but I only just got on for my update.
Wait, this is the circus.
Where?
Give us a coin.
I even done this update. I just came on.
Yeah. Also, by the way.
Oh wait, where's the I need to
machine is basically free items.
Is it over here? What I'm looking for? Yes.
You know, try to that song.
It's here. This is what I wanted. Specifically, I came. You know, I can always get that. Keep that. I'll go back and come back over here, coin.
Got a coin.
Right, I'll check this one out before I go. Yeah, no. It was a pen. And then, fortune teller. And I guess. No. Looks like it's gonna be something for the future. Like, this is scary. I'm scared. Bing. There's you. I've already got that one. No. Hell no. Bang, bang, bang.
No, wait.
I'm gonna take it as it's going on to.
No, what's up, Big X? I'm a Big X.
Where's this go?
I didn't get it.
You toilet people.
Show me your flashlight.
Got be new. So,
Wait, let me take
what's
Okay.
this?
I'm your scanner now. I'm your scanner.
What is
No,
it?
we gotta.
Find the circus, explore
You
deeper.
can scan other people's scanner to turn into a scanner.
How do you fly? I don't know.
Wants to go to circus.
How you fly is using the beams.
So there's two more.
You want to go to circus?
Robert, scan me out the scanner.
So I've got to find
Out of
two
the
more to
scanner.
go it.
What,
He's a scammer. No one trusts.
I want to become a Labubu.
Ooh, I want
No, wait.
Oh, it's gonna be scary this.
Oh.
Give it back.
No,
Give
what
me
is
the scanner.
Right, I'm here.
Give it back.
Guys, wants to go to circus. Yo, imagine crying like a baby for not getting
Oh,
it. I need
we
a
can try
video
getting
tape in circus.
I can help
you.
you. I can help you. I can help you get the scanner. I can help you get the
First
scanner.
video.
Come.
Okay.
Took quite long.
Wait, do you have to buy them?
No, they're free.
I'm a
No.
Labubu. I'm a
Go
Labubu.
on
Oh, it's got an up
Oh,
waste.
let me please.
Thank God it's good.
Wait, you dumbass.
You want me to pet you? You want me to pet you? Good.
Hatch it, man.
No, I'm getting a token.
When the kid thinks he's smart, but he's not. I'm not smiling. I was trying to go for that, but no, I'm not. I want
Yeah,
that.
it doesn't do the size of
Stay
What the
still.
Labubu boys? What the Labubu boys? What the Labubu boys?
Got a token. Come. No. Come back. Come here. No.
5. Oh, I need one more.
Wow, Alex, hello.
There's on the
Hey,
phone.
you're the rocket. Shut up. Get out.
You gotta.
I don't know.
You're the worst.
That's like
You know what?
It's gonna be very long footage.
What do you
I'm
like?
shutting down.
Put it in, put it in.
Please, guys. Please, like,
Yeah.
somebody give me that. I can come. I can come in with y'all. I can come in with y'all.
No, go
Yeah, I'll
get
do
yourself
it
pleasure.
next time. Next time.
Now we gotta.
Someone show me a
Oh god. Get away. You Peter. That's it. Get out. Shoot it. Bang bang bang. Bang bang. Oh, what's over here? Huh?
Is anyone at the boss fight?
Is someone in there?
Oh.
Wait, was someone in there?
Both of them. This moves me. This moves me around.
Oh, okay.
We gotta go get another one.
Hey, I want this kid.
Gotta get another one. Gotta get another one.
I want the scanner, bro.
You can have the scanner. I want to know what this does. I'm gonna troll him.
You get the scanner.
If someone else do this, because I don't know what I'm doing.
It gives you items.
Where did that kid go?
Here, do you want this?
What?
You want the sword?
What?
Do you want the sword?
I chucked one over there. Is that so?
Alright. I need the scanner. Alright, so
Put this up back.
Wait, take this.
give me that coin.
Take that.
Yeah, take what?
Yo, I'm here. I'm down.
He's down there.
Look, it's right there.
Why is it blue?
Just go for it.
I don't know, it's just a glitch. Chill.
Down a
No, wait. No, I'm gonna die.
He's trolling. He's so trolling you.
Oh, I don't know how to control it. I'm not trying to troll. I really want to see.
Anybody have a prop scanner?
Down a bit.
Are you stuck?
I'm trying for over
No.
45 minutes.
This one goes down. This one goes down. This one was the one that trolls him up and down. This one moves him.
There's lava down there. Yeah, prop scanner I can get.
Bro, sorry,
give me
bro.
two.
I actually don't know how to control this.
Can anyone give me a prop
Stop playing around with me.
Wait. Can you do it? Can you do it?
I think I know how to do it. Let me have a look.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, but I gotta. Let's go.
Wait a
get
minute. If you do it, can I have the scanner?
Yeah, go get the token. So
I'm missing that moves.
I don't know how.
No.
How did
Who
he
the hell's he? Who the hell's he?
He's kidnapping us.
Who in the flip flop is he? Who is
Give me
he?
my grappler and the light.
Who's
Give me my
he?
grappler and light. Give me my grappler and light.
This is my
Give me my
grappler,
and
right?
light.
You're not taking my stuff off me.
Give me my
These are-
items.
No, these are my items. You're
No,
not.
you stole them.
No, your things are on the floor. They didn't spawn.
I need to get the tokens with them. I need
No,
to get
this
the
is my
tokens with
stuff.
them.
My stuff. You can't
Yeah, but I
take my
gotta get the
stuff.
tokens with them.
What?
I'm not gonna get the tokens. You're not gonna play. You're not gonna play. Go get the tokens. Go get the tokens in the sewers. Go in the sewers and go get
Bing,
them.
bing. What
Go
you
get
want?
them in the sewers.
Go get the tokens in the sewer. If you're not gonna give me that item that was mine, that weren't mine, just go to a center.
Why is he over here for? Who let him?
Stop shaking me, you stupid ass clown.
Go to the couch if you wanna go camping.
Dude, you gotta go. Can you kick this monster's ass, Jackie?
Brother, go get some coins! Go get some coins from the sewer!
Nobody knows where they're at, except
Follow me.
somebody knows where they're at. It's just we're stuck on the clown. The dude who actually knows where they're at is stuck on
Goodbye. Goodbye.
I know exactly where they are!
Oh, he's moving.
Oh shit! I just dropped my remote. Guys,
know exactly where they are. I know exactly where they
Bring me my revolver, I dropped it! Oh my god, you are so dumb!
Glitch, man.
Go to Captain, I got him.
Alright, can you bring this to me?
Guys, I'm stuck. My controller!
Go to Captain, you wanna go?
Why won't he just walk away?
I have the brand new item.
It worked like glue. Yo, I'm stuck. I guess I'm stuck. I'm not realizing my game. Oh, it's 3-6. Oh! Finally! I'm a big stuck!
Oh my god! Continue walking! There's a wall there, you dumbass!
Guys, my thing's stuck. My hand can't get rid of it. I'm pressing that button to let it go.
Am I really
What?
stuck on a clown?
No! No! Help!
If I had my revolver, I'm if I can actually kill it.
I'm jumping.
You know what? I might just go back to spawn. Why won't this clown just let go?
I know what I'm eyeing to it.
I need to get my revolver back. It's all the way over there.
You just get caught.
How was he grabbing me the second that he let go? Now give me my revolver back.
Does anybody want to trade for a
He's
Galaxy
glitched.
Snowball? Well,
I told
Snowball,
you.
come to the couch.
Now.
Oh, nobody wants to hear that he's bad ass. Can't even get up there.
I have
My revolver just despawned.
Let's counter that. Trade.
Just disconnected. Good. Reconnect. It'll get me stuck.
Alright, I need my revolver back after all this time. Because this dumbass clown won't get the fuck off my face.
Oh, I think it's fixed. Yeah, fixed it. Took so long. Down. Get me.
Up.
Just take me.
Does anybody want to
Just get someone get caught, man.
Anybody want to trade a Galaxy Snowball?
Someone just get caught. Come on, little people. I don't want to punch you. Yo, can you get caught so you can unglitch me? Good boy. Can you just get caught? Thank you. Take me. Where are we going? Okay, don't just... Set you off again, bro. Bang, bang, bang.
Yo, I found a thing that you can escape the clown with.
Yo, can you let go of me, buddy? I'm getting further and further away. No, 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 I'm not going in. Someone help me. I'm outside the circus. I'm inside the circus map, but outside the sewer bit in circus. Cause I've been caught by the circus dude. But he's glitched, so can someone come get me?
Guys, I don't feel so good.
I'm stuck.
I
Help!
don't feel so good in the toilet.
Can you help? I'm stuck. He's glitched. Help! Please pull me back out. Why am I above it? I don't want to go above it. Can someone come and get me? Please, I see someone. Help! I'm on this red arrow thingy underneath it. I see you two talking. Come on, someone help me. Help! Help! Alright, what's gonna be all of it today? Yeah. You see? Why is this guy so